If you're flying out South Korea or kung babalikan na ng Pilipinas, alam mo bang pwede mo maskip ang mahabang pila na to sa Incheon International Airport? Yes, recently po sobrang haba ng pila sa airport kapag paalis ka na ng South Korea. Sa airport, after check-in counter, kailangan niyo pong pumila dito for baggage check and immigration purposes. Pero kadalasan, yung pila po dito ay malala and sobrang tagal. Para maskip po ninyo yung mahabang pila na to, you need to follow these steps. First, ang pinaka-importante niyo pong gawin is you need to online check-in to get your electronic boarding pass. And second, kailangan niyo pong i-download yung ICN Smart Pass from Google Play Store or App Store because this app allows you to pass through immigration checkpoints and boarding gates using facial recognition. And third, you need to register your passport information and boarding pass sa SmartPass app. Paano ba gawin yung pag-register sa SmartPass app? Madali lang po. Open nyo lang po yung na-download niyo na SmartPass app and mag-agree po kayo sa terms and conditions and kailangan nyo pong i-scan yung bio page of your passport. And once captured, review nyo po yung passport information ninyo if tama po ba yun. And once tama or once done, proceed naman po kayo sa electronic chip scan. Paano ba yung gawin? Put your cellphone po in the middle front cover of your passport where the chip is located. So paano ba malalaman kung saan located yung chip? Sa passport po natin, meron po yung parang icon ng chip doon. Tingnan nyo lang po yun and yun po yung itatapat ninyo sa cellphone ninyo. And once done, proceed naman po kayo sa face authentication. Don't forget to follow these instructions para mabilis nyo pong mascan yung face ninyo. Kapag okay na po yan, once registration is complete, iscan nyo naman po yung barcode of your boarding pass. And kapag okay na po, review your boarding pass information. If tama po yan, good to go na po. Please note also that you'll be receiving an email verification from Incheon Smart Pass. Ano naman gagawin kapag nasa airport na? Kapag na-check-in nyo na po yung mga baggage ninyo, you need to look for this orange lane kasi ito po yung lane na designated for those who pre-registered sa SmartPass app. Ang gagawin nyo lang po dito, daharap po kayo doon sa camera for facial recognition. At kapag tapos na po kayo dyan, puproceed po kayo doon sa pag-baggage check naman ng mga hand carry baggage natin. So, chine-check rin po nila yan. Kaya naman kapag uwi na kayo ng Pilipinas, don't forget to register or pre-register your information sa SmartPass app para mas mabilis na kayo sa Incheon International Airport. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share nyo na rin to sa mga friends niyo nasa South Korea or pupunta ng South Korea. And don't forget to follow me for more practical gala tips. Happy travel!